Hey, what's up guys? So, welcome to my vlog. So, kita dah sampai dekat UTP. So, ni adalah bilik dia.
Seri Skandar.
Saiz dia 400 darab 500 persegi.
So, sekarang dah nak pukul 1. So, kita akan jumpa esok guys. Let's go. Okay guys, day 2. So hari ni kita akan
Kali sendiri kat sini dia.
Ha?
Freaky orang.
Nak aku.
Bodoh.
So hari ni kita akan terus gerak ke Gua Tempurung guys.
Aku duduk belakang.
Gua Tempurung.
Aku duduk depan lah. Rumah tu.
Tak ada. No lah.
Ui, New Balance. Rebel.
Kasut ni tu. Kasut ni jatuh.
Running eh?
Kasut tu. Ya tu.
Mahal tu.
Dapat diskaun. Diskaun kabel.
I talk a lot of shit when I'm drinking, baby. I'm known to go a little too fast. Don't mind all my friends, I know they're all crazy, but they're the only friends that I have. I don't know you, but I'd like to skip the small talk and romance, girl. That's all I have to say, so baby, can we dance? Here we go again, another drink, I'm caving in. Stupid words keep falling from my mouth. You know that I mean well, my hands are meant for somewhere else. Your eyes are doing naughty butterflies. One more drink and I should go, but maybe she might like me though. Just can't think of what to say. Should I go? Should I stay? Just got nothing simple way. I talk a lot of shit when I'm drinking, baby. I'm known to go a little too fast. Don't mind all my friends, I know they're all crazy, but they're the only friends that I have. I don't know you, but I'd like to skip the small talk and romance, girl. That's all I have to say, so baby, can we dance? I was nearly in, but then came the pushy friend. Killed the bow and took my perfect 10.
Korang satu kali lah bodoh.
Dah pakai dah.
Okay guys, kita dah sampai di Gua Tempurung guys. Misteri.
Simpan sekali ni.
Boleh botol
Pegang
air
lah
sekali.
lemu.
Alah, janganlah marah. Ha?
Botol air kau tak mana?
YC ya?
Bawa je lah tu.
Bagi kat dompet aku lah. Dia tak dompet aku.
Ya tak ada IC ambil
Apa botol air ni?
Tak, tepi lah botol bodoh.
Apa botol air pula?
Daripada budak.
Macam mana perasaan sebelum memasuki gua?
Freaky.
Gambar tu.
Taruh nama grup itu Freaky.
To our decks as well. So my name is Sally. Welcome to Gopeng Fair. Is this your first time here?
Second.
First time sailing?
First time.
Have your breakfast ready?
Yes.
I eat bread.
Important one. So the things that I would like to remind you are, please do not, as usual, scribble the walls. Yeah. Bro Jeffrey.
Oh, betul ni.
As well.
On camera
Grup
scary gargoyle on a tower that you made with plastic power. Your rhinestone eyes are like factories far away. Where the paralytic dreams that we all seem to keep drive on engines till they weep with future pixels in factories far away. So call the mainland from the beach. Your part is now washed up in bleach. The waves are rising for this time of year, and nobody knows what to do with the heat. Under sunshine pylons we'll meet while rain is falling like grindstones from the sky.
Hadap sana. Jadi kat sana. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Jangan baring. Jangan baring.
Oh, finisher. Oh, finisher. Sengaja. Boleh jom. Kan. Finisher ni.
Cek ni jangan terbalik. Sebab aku tak lompat. Tak bangun.
Yeah.
Boleh tak dapat? Yang tangan lembut boleh pergi. Banyak lah tak boleh pergi.
Tu. Berusaha.
Survivor. Tak sebab.
Aduh.
Okay guys, so sekarang kita dah selesai menjelajahi Gua Tempurung guys. Jadi sekarang kita berada di Mi Kari Ami. Barai ya. Ini yang paling barai ya. Ini injet. Lagu pijat lah. Pijat. Malam tak makan lah. Sedap guys. Yeah, cantik. So ni adalah rumah kita orang guys. Apa macam bilik aku ni. Ada basket tau. Tak ada signage apa pun. Okay guys, so sekarang kita nak dinner dekat apa nama kedai? Apa nama kedai? Kelapa Leleng Kampo guys. So, sekarang pukul 9.54. So this is the only kedai yang buka. So, diorang boleh percaya beli hotel. Kal, tuan ranking terbawah. Morning guys, so day 3 hari Ahad, last day. So pagi ni kita tak tahu nak buat apa lagi. Mungkin akan mandi kolam tak? Walaupun silap. So kita nak basuh baju.
Basuh baju guys.
Basuh level.
Ni basuh baju manual. Basuh boxer boleh.
Basuh dia.
Solat duha guys. So tengah basuh baju sekarang. Tak Wan, aku record dah ni.
Berani awak tu.
Semalam dah berani tak kan? Tak berani.
Ni water resistant ke?
Haa.
IP apa?
Okay, kira was.
1, 2, 3. Depend kalau awal. Banyak support apa ni?
Aku nak berenang boleh orang.
Jom. Kau timbul lah. Padu sial.
Padu tu.
Ni banyak tangkuk oksigen bodoh. Banyak tangkuk oksigen bodoh.
Dia simpan oksigen kat belakang bodoh.
Oi, sewang.
Jadi silakan.
Jangan silakan.
Jom Ali ni dia can swim. Go on.
Sakit badan sikit je. Silap je. Asal kau lipat tu kaki kau, bukan straight je.
Sana.
Babi.
Buaya.
So So kita akan meninggalkan rumah ni guys. Let's go. Pulang. So kita akan bergerak untuk lunch. Selamat tinggal bumi Kampar.
Bye Kampar, aku tak kena tahu.
Bye. Selamat tinggal.
Bye Kampar.
Selamat tinggal Kampar. So sekarang kita dah berada di Nasi Kandar Beratur 786. 324.
Angin.
So